Are you intrigued by abundance and happiness? Then you will love the Citrine guided meditation. To prepare for the meditation, gather your citrine crystals and find a calm, comfortable place to meditate. Cleanse the energy of your space with sage, incense, or candlelight. Place citrine pieces around your space and have at least one or two to hold during the meditation. Wear your citrine jewelry and prepare a glass of water and a set of Moki marble stones or your favorite earth grounding stones for after the meditation. Somewhere along life's journey, you may have forgotten your soul's true purpose. You were put here on earth to prosper. You are created to be happy. And you are here now to spread prosperity and joy. With the help of the citrine crystals in your hand, you are going to rediscover your primal purpose. You are going to find the heaps of happiness and piles of prosperity that you deserve. To find happiness, you must first clear your mind of clutter. Close your eyes and relax your body. As you hold your citrine gemstones, take 3 deep breaths in and out. With each breath out, mentally tell yourself to release and relax. With each breath in, mentally recite to yourself, healing abundance. Continue to breathe consciously and recite these mantras. Release and relax. Healing abundance. The singing bowl indicates your time to journey for however long you wish. Your mind slows down and begins to clear. Tap into the power of your citrine crystals now. They are radiating with solar force. Citrine operates on solar energy, and you find your entire aura suddenly glowing with a yellow color. It is warm and comforting. With the sunlight of citrine upon you, any lingering darkness disappears. Anxiety, doubt, stress, fears, anger, and sadness vanish. The sunny warmth causes them to evaporate into thin air. You are now wrapped in joy, bliss, happiness, love, acceptance, and calm. It is only from this clear space that you can truly manifest abundance. Breathe in the good feelings. Let it flow deep into the pit of your stomach. This is where your solar plexus resides, spinning in a yellow vortex around your navel area. You can control and nourish your emotions from this energy center. You are the master of your own experiences. As you bask in the yellow light of happiness, you are ready to manifest. The citrine in your hands is called the merchant's stone, because it is full of crafty wisdom. It is known in the crystal kingdom as the ruler of prosperity. Citrine wants to share its piles of prosperity with you, because when you share the wealth, even more will come back to you. Now imagine looking up into the sky and finding the glistening golden sun. The sun is a giver of life and joy. It is what makes our earth abundant. It is what makes the solar system go round. When you tap into the power of the sun, it kisses you with sweet blessings. Now look carefully at the sunbeams traveling through the sky. From the big ball of fire down to the earth, the sun is sending you a gift. Now imagine that a stream of shiny, citrine tumbled stones are traveling down towards you through a beam of sunlight. They carefully rain down in front of you, creating a giant pile of gemstones. Admire this heap of precious polished citrine crystals. They all belong to you. The prosperous energy of citrine permeates your aura, your chakras, and your soul. A little hill of citrine jewels lies before you. Go ahead and climb that hill. Feel the glossy texture of the citrine crystals against your fingers and the palms of your hands. It is glowing with good vibrations and brilliant color. Hear the sound of the tumbled stones sliding against each other, spilling onto the floor. It is all music to your ears. Finally, you are on top of the citrine hill. You are the kingpin of prosperity. Now look once more towards the giving sun. There's something else sliding down the sun's rays. This time, it is a steady stream of glistening gold coins. The coins fall in front of you, clinking and clanking as they hit the ground. They form another heap, even larger than the pile of citrine that you are standing on. You have hit the jackpot. These gold coins keep raining down as though the sky is your very own slot machine. The gold coins have now formed a mountain in front of you. They shine with prosperity and abundance, and they are all yours. Now slide down the slippery citrine slope as though you were a child without a care in the world. And then climb up the mountain of gold coins. Feel each heavy metallic medallion against your skin. You were made to be rich and abundant. You were made to reap the rewards of royal jewels and treasures. You are now at the top of the gold mountain. Prosperity is yours. You've mastered the citrine hill and the mountain of gold. What is in store for you now? The sun has one more gift for you. That is the gift of happiness, confidence, and healing. As you stand on the golden pile of prosperity, look up again towards the sun. Through a beam of sunlight comes a special yellow hue, making its way down directly onto your body. This is the light of life. It holds the source of happiness, confidence, and healing. Feel it surround your aura and flow strong at your solar plexus chakra. Bask in this most sacred gift. You feel so joyous knowing that abundance and happiness are yours. When you feel it, when you breathe it, you can easily manifest these positive aspects in your reality. You can conquer your fears and darkness and achieve success. This is a technique that you can use often and endlessly. Fears and obstacles are not a one-time thing. They come up constantly through your life. But the help of your citrine crystals will remind you of your inner strength, and you will overcome all hurdles with grace. You are now ready to emerge victoriously into the physical world. You are a physical being that is constantly creating physical experiences. But before you go, take a moment to thank the sun, the yellow light, the citrine, and the piles of prosperity that have reminded you of your inner identity. Do that now. Hold on to your citrine stones as you transition back to the very room that you started your meditation. At the count of 1 to 5, you will be wide awake and ready to manifest in your current reality. Starting with the number 1, breathe in and reconnect with the citrine crystals in your hands. 2, breathe out deep and feel a physical sensation returning to your head and your brain. 3, become aware of your stomach, where your solar plexus is located, and feel appreciation for your newfound happiness. 4, you become aware of the sounds and sensations around you. And 5, open your eyes and awaken to the physical world. After the meditation, you may feel like you are in an altered state of mind. Your frequency has been enhanced to a higher level than normal. Allow yourself to enjoy this natural high and hold on to your Moki marble stones and drink your glass of water to fully reintegrate back to the physical world, ready to manifest abundance in your current reality. If you enjoyed the Citrine meditation, join us at Satin Crystals for additional guided meditations, positive affirmations, monthly crystal horoscopes, and to shop a whole collection of natural gemstones and jewels. While you're there, join the VIP club for metaphysical information throughout the year. Please do subscribe and like our videos so we can bring you additional videos on minerals and healing crystals. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals, and thank you for spreading your light into our world.